Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how you can create your WordPress website for free on your local computer without purchasing a web hosting and a domain name. Basically, when you launch your website, you definitely need a web hosting and a domain name. But if you're not ready yet to launch your website and you would like to test and try WordPress and to learn it for free, this would be a great solution for you. So when you create your website locally, all your files and folders will be stored on your computer, but you can basically move those files to a live website that I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it at the end of this video. In order to install WordPress locally on your computer, you can go to bitnami.com through the link in the description below, or type in Bitnami WordPress in Google, okay, and click on the first result. Once you click on this, you will get to this page. So once you get to this website, click on Windows, Mac, Linux option and scroll down a little bit. You can see you have three options. I'm currently using Mac, so I'm going to go ahead and click on download for Mac. So if you're using Windows, click on this one. And here, scroll down. So you click on no thanks, just take me to download because we don't want to log into anything. So the file for Mac is slightly bigger. You can see it's 500 megabytes. It's going to take you a few minutes to download it. So click download. And if the download didn't start, simply just click here. Now it's time to install WordPress software. To install the software, go ahead and click on where the file was downloaded. Now it starts opening the file. Now click here. And then click open and put in your computer password and click OK. So in this new page, the WordPress is asking you to start and run your local server. So click on this start button. So wait until you can see the status is turned green. It means your server is actually running locally and you're going to have an IP address. This is your local IP address. Now click on the services tab and make sure all the services are green and they're running. In case one of them was red and it was not running, just click on it and then start. And for now, we're all set and we can continue. Let's go back to the general tab and click on go to application. Okay, so this is how your local WordPress website look like. So this IP address at the top is the URL to my local WordPress website. Now you may be wondering what is your username and password to access your WordPress dashboard. Also make sure you're not using any VPN, otherwise you may have some issues connecting to this page. Now, in order to log into your dashboard, you can see this manage option at the bottom right corner. Click on this manage and you will land on this page. So your WordPress login details is set to user and Bitnami by default. In order to log into your WordPress dashboard, simply click on this login button and put in your login details. Bitnami. Okay. So this is your local WordPress dashboard. So your WordPress dashboard URL is your IP address /wp admin. So every time you would like to access your WordPress dashboard, just type in this URL and you can access your WordPress. If you're using Windows, your URL will be localhost/WordPress. And if you would like to log into your dashboard, just add login at the end of the URL and you can log into your accounts. After you log into your account, you can start working on your website. You can add a new post. You can add a new page. You can change the look or the theme of your website. You can add a new plugin. And after you made all the changes locally, you can then move your website from localhost to a web host. And I will show you how you can do it in the next video. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to like it. Also, if you like this sort of content, make sure to subscribe and tap that little bell so you'll be notified of the next video that's released when I release it. See you next time.